So we downloaded the IntelliJ exe file and we're gonna start installing it. So you need to just click on the execution file, say yes, and the rest is just the destination folder. Where do you want this IntelliJ to be installed? Usually we choose program files. It requires 1 gig of space. I have 84 gig left, so I have enough space for that. Next, let's go back. Maybe you need a shortcut on your desktop. You want to add it to your, okay, I don't want to do this. Yeah, I think it's fine. And then a bunch of next, and then we'll wait until this gets installed. So while we're waiting for IntelliJ, we can actually look at the website and see what you can do with this. So when you install IntelliJ, you can install the plugin of Scala in IntelliJ. You can build a Scala project, and you can also write tests using Scala test, which is very powerful. Like they said, compared to other programming languages, installing Scala is a bit unusual because it is usually installed for each of your Scala projects rather than being installed system-wide. But it's possible to install Scala in many ways. It's just like we prefer using this. So let's see. And there's also, if you look at the website, there's also a way to, anything I explain here is mainly Windows because I have a Windows system right now and I show you how to do it in Windows. And maybe in the future, I create some slides about how to install it in Mac, but it's really easy for Mac as well. Like here, you could see you can use Homebrew and then just say brew update and brew install Scala, just saying that is going to install Scala for you. And there's actually always steps to do that, right? So if you have a Mac, you can easily find the information on Scala website and just follow the steps and install it. But here I use Windows and I explain everything on Windows. That's just because I have a Windows laptop and right now, and that's the laptop that I use for this course. Okay, so we're almost done to install IntelliJ, and when we finish, we want to say run it. So let's see. Okay, so this is the shortcut, IntelliJ IDE community. And the next session, we're gonna just learn how to open IntelliJ and create a Scala project. Thank you.